is a renowned Palestinian chef who has been active on the culinary scene since the early 1980s. He has held several challenging positions as executive chef, and his contributions in the field are many. With his vast experience, it was inevitable that Salbis would be involved in the educational part of the food industry. Salbis was personally involved in the establishment of the Professional Promotion Hospitality section at the Notre Dame Center of Jerusalem, where he was the Middle Eastern cuisine chef instructor for over a decade, graduating dozens of Palestinian cooks. An organization that includes Palestinian and Israeli chefs who work together to support peace activities among both peoples. Tonight, we would like to honor Chef Yaour Salbis for his numerous achievements in the profession he mostly loved. We would like also to honor one more person tonight. Is Sarkis Yacoubian, who graduated from the Notre Dame Professional Promotion Hospitality section and furthered his hospitality education at Bethlehem University, where he completed the diploma program. He achieved a degree in culinary psychology from the Dublin Institute of Technology, and currently he is an instructor chef rehabilitating disabled people. Sarkis worked in several hotels as executive sous chef and culinary instructor. Sarkis is a member of the Israeli Chefs Association as coordinator of the Arabic sector, as well as a member on the board of Chefs for Peace. Sarkis Yacoubian, chef.
Champion, number one. number one. Two champions.